For millennia, nature existed in a delicate equilibrium, a symphony of interconnected ecosystems flourishing in harmony. Schools are meant to be a haven for learning and prospering, yet we seem to be failing our young generation with poor infrastructure and built environment that is detrimental to their well-being.
Nestled within Pune and spanning 6,800 square meters, our site for Lodha World School is a part of a larger development by Lodha developers in the NIBM area. The school has been designed to accommodate 2,500 students from nursery to senior secondary. The building in itself acts as a learning aid to align with modern teaching strategies and to cater to the evolving needs of today's learner. The rooftop garden provides a space for learning organic farming, helping students reconnect with nature while also facilitating agro-voltaicism, where the efficiency of the solar panels is further enhanced by the cooling effects of the plants underneath. The interiors are designed in soft pastel colors, creating a welcoming environment for young children, while also responding to the client's demand of a premium school building. The ergonomically designed spaces respond to the needs of growing children. The building form has evolved to respond to the site context and local climate in order to minimize heat gain while maximizing natural light and ventilation, thus ensuring thermal comfort throughout the year. Conditioned spaces strategically positioned along the eastern and southeastern zones create a buffer, effectively insulating the interiors. Labs with shorter occupancy periods are situated on the south and southeast periphery, while classrooms, primarily benefiting from the diffuse natural light, are oriented towards the north. The solar chimney facilitates the inlet of cool air. The double-skin bamboo facade reduces the heat gain from the southwest face. The roofs are created as filler slabs with insulation and painted with reflective paint to minimize heat gain.
Through the use of various passive cooling strategies, harnessing renewable energy through solar panels, and incorporating energy efficient systems, we have been able to achieve an EPI of 22 with net positive energy. Our solar shading device provides shade during summer and lets in sunlight during winter. It generates electricity through solar power. The tilt angle is further made adjustable, which makes it more efficient. Through strategies like xeriscaping and use of water-efficient fixtures, a 60% reduction in water consumption is achieved. Furthermore, the root zone treatment and rainwater management system helps to store water for future purposes. Have successfully achieved an energy autonomy of 15 days and a water autonomy of 2 days. Through carbon-negative materials like agrocrete bricks, polyester lime plaster, fly ash integration, and filler slabs, our building project has reduced its embodied carbon by a remarkable 40%. By integrating sustainability into the built environment, schools can create healthier, more resilient, and more environmentally responsible spaces for learning and growth.
Team Nova thanks the Solar Decathlon India for providing us with an opportunity to showcase our model for a sustainable education building that can cater to the evolving needs of today's learners.